pipe 1 can fill a cistern in 20 minutes. Pipe 2 can fill the same cistern in 60 minutes, whereas pipe 3 is removing water from the cistern in 40 minutes. So these two are filling it, one is emptying it. So filling is always plus, removing is always minus. So pipe 3 is minus. Why? Because it is emptying the cistern. Pipe 1 and pipe 2 are plus. Now all the 3 pipes are open at a time when the tank is filled. So what is the best method is to take LCM. If you say the LCM difference for 60, 40 and 20, it is 120. So LCM is 120 for 20, 60 and 40. So what I am going to do is 20 into how many times? 6 times. 20 into 6, 120. 6 into 2, 120. 40 into 3, 120. So what I am doing? I am taking LCM for all the 3 numbers. 2 pipes are filling, 1 pipe is emptying. So these 2 will be plus, this will be minus. Because 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5 by 120. So 120 by 5, if we do this, friends, we are going to get 24 minutes. That's all is the answer. Here the question is, pipe 1 can fill a tank in 20 minutes, pipe 2 can fill the tank in 60 minutes, pipe 3 can emptying the tank in 40 minutes. All are open at a time. So first best method is take the LCM of the 3 numbers, that is 120, 20 into 6, 120, 60 into 2, 120, 40 into 3, 120. Both are filling 6 plus 2, 8. One is doing minus 3. So that is 6 plus 2, 8 minus 3, 5 by 120. That is 120 by 5. That is equal to 24 minutes. The question is, tank is filled in 24 minutes. Tank is filled in 24 minutes. This is question number 1. Let us go to the next question. The second question is, a tank is filled by a pipe A. Tank is filled by pipe A in 2 hours, but there is a leakage. There is a leakage in the tank. Because of leak, it is taking 1/3 hours. Now all the water from the lake can come out in how much time? All the water from the lake can come out in how much time? The lake can drain all the water of the tank in. That is what we are going to do is, so 2 hours a tank is filled because of pipe 1, but because of a leakage it is taking 1/3 hours. That is 1/3 of the hour it is taking extra, 20 minutes extra. So the difference, if you take, you will get the answer, that is 2 into 2, 1/3 by to 1 by 3 minus 2. That is, in 1 hour the pipe will fill 1 by 2 part of the tank. Because of a leak it is 1 by 3 part. So the difference gives the answer. Instead of taking the difference, we are using the shortcuts 2 into 2 1 by 3 by 2 1 by 3 minus 2. That is 2 into 2 3s are 6, 7 by 3 by 3 2s are 6, 7 by 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is 6. This is 7 minus 6 is 1 by 3. So directly I am writing 1 by 3. 3 we can cancel, that is 14 hours. Hope it is clear to all of you. Same model. We'll do one more question. Same model. A cistern is normally filled in 8 hours. So a cistern is there. Is normally filled in 8 hours. Because of a leak, it is taking 2 hours longer. So a cistern is taking 8 hours. Because of a leak, it is taking 2 hours longer. So 8 hours, 2 hours longer is 10 hours. Now, the question is, if the cistern is full, the leak will empty it in how many hours? If the cistern is full, then leak will empty it in how many hours? That is 10 into 8 by 10 minus 8, that is 80 by 2, 40 hours. Same as like the sum which we have done just now. Same type, the sum which we have done just now. Hope it's very simple. We are going for the next question. In this question, a cistern has 2 taps or 2 pipes, P1, P2, P3. Totally there are, okay, we shall write here. A cistern has 3 pipes, that is P1, P2, P3. Now what happens? P1 and P2 are filling the tank in 12 minutes and 15 minutes. P3 is a waste pipe. It is removing the water from the tank. Okay. Now because 3 pipes are open, the tank is filled in how many minutes? 20 minutes. Now how long will the leak take, waste pipe take to empty the full tank? If the tank is with full water, how long will it take for the waste pipe to remove all the water from the tank? So here it is just like pipe 1 will do a work in 12 minutes, pipe 2 means in 1 by 15 minutes, pipe 3 let it remove the water in X minutes. Totally the tank is filled in 20 minutes. So we want X here. So we are going to take LCM directly for 12, 15 and 20. 12, 15 and 20 LCM will be 60. That is 12 5 times 15 4 times and 23 times, that is 5 plus 4, 9 minus 3, 6 by 60, that's called 1 by 10, that is 10 minutes. That is 10 minutes. So the waste pipe will take 10 minutes to remove all the water from the tank. Let us see one more question in pipes and seasons. The question says, pipe 1 can fill a tank. Pipe 1 can fill a tank in 24 minutes. Pipe 2 can fill a tank in 32 minutes simultaneously, respectively. Both the pipes are working at a time, that is pipe 1 plus pipe 2 are working at a time. Both the pipes are opened. Both the pipes are opened. Now, after what time B must be closed? That is here P2 must be closed after what time, so that tank is filled in 80 minutes. Tank is completely filled in 18 minutes. So tank is filled in 80 minutes. After what time P2 must be closed? Now tank is filled in 80 minutes. So P1 pipe in 1 minute it will do 1 by 24 of the work. In 18 minutes, because tank is filled in 18 minutes, P1 will work for 18 minutes, P2 also will work for some X minutes, so the total tank is filled in 18 minutes. So 18 minutes, P1 how much work it will do separately, that is 6 3s are 6 4s are. So 3 by 4th work. 3 by 4th of the tank is filled by P1 in 18 minutes. Remaining is 1 by 4th of the tank. P2 will take 32 minutes for filling full tank. It must fill 1/4 of the tank. So 1/4 of the tank means it will take 32 by 4, 8 minutes. So 1/4 of the tank. Okay. So remaining is 1 by 4th of the tank. So 32 by 4, that's equal to 8 minutes is the time taken by P2. Hope the sum is clear. Thank you for today, dear friends.